All right, Captain Damion Lowe. First of all, what do you think about the game?
I mean, can't really be too, hard on each other because a lot of guys just coming out of season ending, fatigue, not sharp. But in the huddle, in the team huddle, I said to the guys like, listen, this is my second, World Cup cycle. And what I've learned, especially from Canada, is that once you're defensively sound, get points on the board. Points will get us to the World Cup. So no matter what, 3 points at home is like 6 points.
Yeah,
you
true.
understand? Yeah, so just get points on the board. Of course, we're going for the win. We want to win at home, but points on the board, no matter what in a World Cup qualifying campaign, will get us to the World Cup. And today, we get the 3 points, so we just give thanks.
Coming off at halftime, is that something we should be worried about?
Not really, no. I mean, I got to assess it when I go back to the hotel and see, but I've been carrying a little injury for the past probably 2 months. If you check Philadelphia and Philly, I haven't played much. I played like probably 1 game out of the last 8 or 9. Last week was my first game back in like a month. So working on it and stuff, and then in the last play of the game, I'm gonna try to shield the ball out. The recovery run, the guy came through the back of me. So feel it again, the same injury. So just listen, it doesn't make sense to force it because we have a big tournament coming up, and we want to be good again for Dominica game. So I'm gonna push tomorrow and the next day. Hopefully I'll be fit enough to play against Dominica, but if not, I guess the bigger picture is over.
All right, finally, last question. Based off the interview you did pre-match surrounding the support, are you surprised the numbers will come out despite the timing of the game?
Yeah, man, because even, to be honest, a whole heap of people never come when the sun is hot enough, but like people get a chance to come off of work, so they just leave work and come straight. So like, probably in the 75th, 80th minute, you see people still load up. We give thanks, we love that, and we're back here again September, so everybody pull up again, hopefully, bigger heads fix the light them and everything good. The pitch was good today. Obviously rain and it gets soft, but before that, really good, because you said we could have rolled the ball and play some good football.
Congrats again on the victory and big up here.